We're at Port Orange, and we have our house boarded up, ready for the storm. And give you a quick tour. It was difficult to get wood and water and all the other things that you need. And there's our front windows, and the door's solid. The garage, and go around, you can see the other windows. Everything's been boarded up with melamine, 2x4s, concrete anchors. Look pretty good. More windows boarded up. This is our pool deck. And partially boarded up back, so it wouldn't be too claustrophobic. Lower the water in the pool. Sealed off just about all the windows. And I have the shed. Boarded that up as well. We're ready for the storm. I assume it's going to be here in a couple of hours. We'll see part of it. We moved out of the garage and put it in here just for keep it safe. And that way we can, our cars could fit in the garage. And boarded up this other side as well with that air conditioner. And of course, the back door is a window. So we boarded that, strapped it. And we're back around to the front. These are our neighbors just waiting for it to happen. The streets are kind of quiet and eerie, a little strange. And here's some more windows that we had boarded up. So it's kind of dark in the house, but I've been through a few hurricanes. This one's supposed to be bad. Here's my neighbor's house. He boarded up all of his windows. Some people did, some people didn't. Everybody should though, really. This one's going to be bad. And of course, my wife did some artwork on one of the boards. Let's see if you can read it. Here we go. Yeah. That's it. Okay. I've had a long day putting everything together. I'm going to relax now. All right. Bye.
Oh my goodness. It's too windy. Oh no. What the heck was that? He can't be out there. Oh no. This is way too much. Oh, this is not smart. Oh, I got it. Part of it. Oh, that whole frame is busted now from that tree. Okay, at least it won't fly into the window or the roof. Wow. Look at the damage on that. Hurricane Matthew.
Look to the left and see the glass panels. These are for their safety railings, and look, they all blew out all the way, the first one, which means they actually were never safe to begin with. If a wind can blow them out, how could it ever save a person from hitting it? Wow. Real shoddy construction.